Most of us will be awestruck by the volumes, the hundreds of thousands of volumes of law books in a law library.
Yes, we will be learning how to use the West Digest system to resolve our legal research questions.
These books certainly do not invite browsing.
You should realize that since the law is always changing, you must keep up with your studies.
So, we are in a law library, but where do we go from here?
My client has authorized me to settle for nothing less than $200,000.
There's no evidence that Sam's Supermarket was negligent here. The supermarket has a responsibility to provide a safe, clean, appropriate atmosphere.
And trial looks imminent. Should we try the case to a judge or to a jury? Look in the pocket part. The pocket parts have to be consulted. And you're going to watch the reactions of the other jurors. And sure enough, we find an annotation that seems to be almost directly on point. Preparing the trial notebook is quite critical.
It is our contention that the reason that Mr. Scott fell was because there was water on the floor of the supermarket.
However, we are going to show you that there is no evidence that Sam's Supermarket was negligent or breached any duty to Mr. Scott, which in any way caused his accident.
Are you working now, Mr. Scott?
No.
And why is that?
Well, it's because of this busted hip.
So you had absolutely no warning that you were going to fall?
Your Honor, I have to object here. The counsel's leading the witness.
Sustained. I'll rephrase, Your Honor. Did you notice anything on the floor that you might have slipped on?
Well, no, like I told you, I was just walking past the potatoes, and next thing I know, I'm on the floor.
Discussion conducted during the conference at the bench is out of the hearing range of the jury, and the information presented is not made part of the trial court record. Let's see how we examine a hostile witness.
Please be specific. Was there or was there not water on the floor?
Well, maybe there were a few sprinkles here and there.
Was some water on the floor?
Well, I guess, yes, but just a few drops.
I hope that you've all gained valuable knowledge and skills that will allow you to pursue a successful career as a paralegal. I'm Scott Hatch. I wish you luck in the future, and go out there and start contributing to Law for Life.